Hello, fellow dog lovers. This is WorkArc7778, and I found a creepy looking spider.
I think it's a wolf spider.
Yeah, it is a wolf spider, but it's gigantic.
It's like camouflage. Don't get too close to it.
It's gigantic. It doesn't really look like it.
You're like right close to it.
Yes, but I'm trying to zoom in.
You know you can zoom in, right?
Yes, that's what I'm doing. It's kind of hard to. Oh, my hand just shaking. Yeah, but that's. Oh, it's moving. It's moving.
Oh, it's moving?
Oh, that thing looks so creepy. It's moving. Yeah. Alright, this is completely zoomed out. He can't jump. He's not. Look at how spread his legs are. If he was gonna jump, his legs wouldn't be that spread out. He's a giant. He's so creepy. Dude. Oh my gosh. I mean, he doesn't look that creepy, but like my camera zooms out so far. Here. This is what it really looks like. This is what it really looks like. Oh, I don't know. You don't want to get near that thing. I mean, it's probably. I bet you it's not poisonous. It's a wolf spider, but it is. You don't want to get bitten by that thing. It's creepy. The wolf spiders like blended the trees with camo. Wow.